Hi everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku, regular Sudoku this time, a killer Sudoku. And in this today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's still Wednesday, October the 21st, 2020, yes. The third Sudoku is a killer Sudoku, and this will be number 1780. Yes, 80. Alright, so let's get started. And I see here a big square with only one sharing box. Here also a big square with only one sharing box. Here a complete big square with no sharing boxes. So let me do this first. I give you a tip. The total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. So if I count all these numbers, I will eventually know what number this will be. So 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 13 is 43. 45 minus 4 is a 2. So in the box of 11, the combination will be 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Alright. Then we go to this big square. 3 plus 17 is 20. We have here 22. 11 plus 11, 22. So 42 together. That means 45 minus 42 is a 3. 45 minus 42 is a 3. The combination in the box of 7, 3 plus 4. Yes. Then the next strategy is to find boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 3 is always 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 17 is always a 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Here we have a box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. But we have a 9 in this big square, so this cannot be a 9. This should be the 9, and this should be an 8. Do we have more boxes with only one combination? Yes, the 4. The 4 is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. That means we have a 1 in one of these two boxes in this column. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. And this should be a 1. Two boxes left, box of 11 and a box of 11, but one of the missing number is a 5 in this big square. We see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 supposed to be in this box of 11. The combination will be 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5. The other box of 11 should be 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4. So we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in one of these boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for a 4 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place a 4 in the box of 8. Otherwise, I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed. So the 4 should be the only place here. The combination here in the box of 5 will be 4 plus 1. Alright. So, and now, here in this complete big square, I see here a box of 5. The box of 5, there are two combinations. Combinations 4 plus 1 and 2 plus 3. Two combination, but I see the 4 is already used, so 4 plus 1 is not possible anymore. So this should be 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, a 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. If I place the 2 in the box of 15, then the combination will be 2 plus 13. 13 is not allowed. The maximum highest number is the number 9. So the 2 cannot be here, the 2 should be here. That means those two boxes together should be 13. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. Alright. So, another box with only one combination. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Yes, didn't saw this. 9 plus 8. Alright. So now we have 2, 2. So we have 2 in this column, a 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 15, so the 2 should be here. The combination here in the box of 8 should be 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Yes. So we have a 6 in this column. A 6 in the last column there, in one of those two boxes. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. And these two boxes together is equal to 13. So 6 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 15. Alright, so 9, 8, 1, 6, 7, 2, and 4 are used in this column. So two boxes left for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are left. 3 and 5. So we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1. And this should be a 3. One box left in this big square for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here. In the box of 15, the combination will be 7 plus 8. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 9. One box left in this column, the last column for the number 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. This triple box. Alright, 9, 9, 9. Alright. And now, what can we do? Yes, 8, 8, 8 is supposed to be here 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. And the combination will be 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. So we have a 2 in this big square, a 2 in one of those two boxes in that big square. So in this column, the 2 should be in one of those 3 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or could be there. Do not know in which order, in which place. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for 9 should be here, here, or there. If I place the 9 in the box of 10, then the combination will be 9 plus 1. And look, we have a 1 over there, so this is not the solution. The 9 should be in one of those two boxes, in the box of 12. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the combination will be 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 2 boxes left in this last row for the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. If I place the 5 here, in the box of 8, then I need a 3 for the combination. 5 plus 3. Look, we have a 3 here already in this big square, so this is not the solution. The 5 is supposed to be there, and the 8, no, the 7, 5 and 7 are left. Yes, 5 and 7. So the 7, not the 6, but the 7. 5 and the 7. And the 7 should be here. So here the combination 5 plus 8 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. And the other two should be the 6 and 4. 6 and 4. 3 and 5. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. If I place the 9 in the box of 11, then the combination will be 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9, we have already a 9 there. So it cannot be the 9 in the box of 11. So the 9 should be here in the box of 14. The combination here in the box of 14 should be 9 plus 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. The combination will be 3 plus 8. And the last box of 11 in this big square, the 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. Let me mark them. 7 and a 4. Alright, and now. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 5. Stupid. The maximum is 4. 4 plus 1. So the 8 should be in the box of 9. So the 8 plus 1 should be a 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And then we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 1, here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The combination in the box of 7 will be 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. Then Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. The combination here will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 boxes left, box of 12 and a box of 7. And one of the missing number here is the 7. So it cannot be in the box of 7. 7, then the combination will be 7 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So the 7 should be in the box of 12. The combination will be 7 plus 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Yeah. Alright. So we have a 5 now. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be a 5. We have now 7 there. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 4. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes at there. The combination here in the box of 7 will be 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Then the box of 14, 8 plus 6. 8 is the highest number now because the 9 is already used. So 8 plus 6. Let me mark them. 8 plus 6. The other two should be the 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Let me mark them. 7 plus 4. We have a 9 here. So this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 9. And then we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle, a row, the only 3 places for the 9. Here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the middle column. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I cannot place the 5 in a box of 5, so the 5 should be in a box of a 9. The combination here will be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 7. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 7. 3, 8, 2, 6. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are missing in this row. 6 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Alright, 2 numbers left. The 5 and the 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 7 is equal to 16, yes. 5 plus 4, we have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. We have a 2 and a 3. 6 and the 7 are left in this row. 6 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Then 2 numbers left in this column, the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8, and look, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left for the box of 11 for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 there. So this should be a 2, and this should be a 3. And the final, no, not the final number. This number 1, 2, 3, the 7 is missing. These 2 missing numbers and those 2 missing numbers. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes in there. We have a 4 already there, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 6. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great. Killer Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now. Have a great day.